How to cancel ExpressVPN subscription. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can cancel your ExpressVPN subscription. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you have subscribed your ExpressVPN through the credit card, PayPal or Apple Pay or the Google Pay, then first of all, open up a browser and there go to expressvpn.com. After that, log in using your account credential or sign in into your ExpressVPN account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the subscriptions in your left-hand menu bar. Under the subscription details, you have to find the subscriptions that you want to cancel. Click on Cancel Subscriptions. Next, follow the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation message as your subscription has been cancelled. But if you cannot find the option to cancel your subscriptions, then you might have to turn off the auto-renewal. So under your subscriptions, there you may have an option to turn off the auto-renewal, and once you have turned off the auto-renewal, your subscription will not be renewed automatically next time, and once there is no renewal, your subscription will ultimately get expired. So that's the way to cancel subscription on ExpressVPN. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.